ABC Educational Channel. Today, let's have a daily use English sentences using verbs. Are you ready? Let's begin. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I wash my hands before eating.
I wash my hands before eating.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I drink milk every day.
I drink milk every day.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I carry my bag to school.
I carry my bag to school.
I run in the playground.
I run in the playground.
I jump like a frog.
I jump like a frog.
I sing a song.
I sing a song.
I dance with my friends.
I dance with my friends.
I clap my hands.
I clap my hands.
I read my storybook.
I read my storybook.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I draw a picture.
I draw a picture.
I color with crayons.
I color with crayons.
I count the numbers.
I count the numbers.
I listen to my teacher.
I listen to my teacher.
I talk to my friends.
I talk to my friends.
I smile when I'm happy.
I smile when I'm happy.
I laugh at funny jokes.
I laugh at funny jokes.
I help my parents at home. I help my parents at home. I cook with Mom.
I cook with Mom.
I bake cookies.
I bake cookies.
I play with my toys.
I play with my toys.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I feed my pet.
I feed my pet.
I hug my family.
I hug my family.
I open the door.
I open the door.
I close the window.
I close the window.
I stand in line.
I stand in line.
I sit on the chair.
I sit on the chair.
I look at the board.
I look at the board.
I point at the picture.
I point at the picture.
I throw the ball.
I throw the ball.
I catch the ball.
I catch the ball.
I kicked the ball.
I kicked the ball.
I paint a flower.
I paint a flower.
I climbed the stairs.
I climbed the stairs.
I sleep at night.
I sleep at night.
I dream about flying.
I dream about flying. I whisper a secret. I whisper a secret. I shout with joy. I shout with joy. I skip in the yard. I skip in the yard. I pick up the trash. I pick up the trash. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I love my family. I love my family.
I share with my friends.
I share with my friends.
Thanks for watching.